and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you can tell, it's a really exciting one because your girl got a MacBook. Not only a MacBook, but a MacBook Pro with a pair of Beats. I'm not joking, I have here the receipts, clearly. Here's one, there we go, MacBook and Beats. So I'm actually really excited to film this video. I originally wanted to do an unboxing. Let's be honest, what this box is inside is not really that exciting because it just has the MacBook Pro, which yes, it's quite exciting, but then it just has the instruction and the charger, so there's not that much going on. But I thought I would share with you guys like the story on like how I ended up getting a MacBook Pro and how I like it so far. And then as for the Beats, I ended up getting them in this white color, although I originally got them in gray because I thought they would match my space gray MacBook Pro, but I really much didn't like them in gray like at all. So I went back to the Apple store and the guy was so nice, he let me return them and get the white one, which I think matched my aesthetic a bit more. So I got this in white. I ended up actually filmed already an unboxing of them, so make sure to leave the video in the eye if you guys are interested in that and want to check it out. But now I feel like we should just dive into my MacBook Pro. So let me firstly show you guys the case that I got for it. This is how it looks like. I think it's adorable. I got this made by out of Amazon, and it also comes with the straps, which is quite handy. And then we also have handles right here, 1 and 2. So yeah, you can also take this one home this way. I will make sure to leave it down below because I think it's actually a really good case for your MacBook. I really love the quality. Originally I wanted to get like a cover for it, but then I was like, no, well, I think you don't need a cover, you just need a case, and I'm really excited for this one. Really happy with it. Of course it matches my aesthetic really well. I feel like it kind of matches the bow that I have in my head actually, so that's the thing. And yeah, this is how my MacBook looks like. Not gonna lie, it's quite heavy because of course it's a Pro, but I'm quite happy because I got it with the student discount, so I didn't pay that much for it. I mean, yes, I still paid, I think it was 1,150, something like that. But yeah, quite excited for it. Anyway, not gonna lie, I'm gonna tell you guys the whole story on how I ended up getting a MacBook Pro, which also has a touch bar, which is so handy and cute. But originally I wanted to go for a MacBook, like the normal MacBook 12-inch in the shade, of course, rose gold, or better to say the new gold, which is a combination of gold and rose gold. And I really much wanted to go for that one. I really liked how light it was. I really liked just like how it looked in general, and I went to the Apple store multiple times before to actually decide to buy a MacBook because I had no clue which one I wanted to go for. And I pretty much decided at one point that I wanted to go for the MacBook 12-inch in rose gold. And so the only thing that was left for me to do was pretty much trying to get the money to get it. So I started saving, and at one point I actually had the money that I needed to buy it, but I didn't fully went for it just because I had no clue if it was smart to like spend that much money all at once, or if I should try to get like an installment so that I could pay it bit by bit every month. And I actually tried to do the bar clear financial thing twice, and I was not able to get it twice. And then one day when I finally decided, you know what, I'm gonna get it, fuck it, I went to the Apple site and I wanted to get it with like the Beats, whatever, and it was pretty much gone from the Apple site, like literally gone. They took it out of the market. So at first I was really sad because I really wanted to get that one, although a lot of people and a lot of reviews said that if you want to do editing, or like if you do editing videos, or if you just do music and stuff like that, you should not get it. You should get like a MacBook Pro because it's like more powerful and whatsoever. But I was like, no, I want to get that one. And Well, eventually I decided to take it as a sign of destiny, so that was definitely out of the uh, picture, let's say, and the only two MacBook left on the picture with the MacBook Pro and the MacBook Air. Now I don't know why actually, but I didn't want it to go for the MacBook Pro initially, and I think that the fact that they didn't do it in rose gold was like a big part of it. And I even talked with a lot of guys from Apple because I was thinking about getting the MacBook Air because it was in rose gold, and I was like, is it stupid to get a MacBook Air just because it's rose gold? And of course the answer is yes. So yeah, long story short, eventually I decided to go for the MacBook Pro, and I quite like it. Yes, of course, ideally, aesthetically, I would love it to be rose gold, but you can't have everything in life. And talking with the guy, it made me realize which is like the difference between a MacBook Pro and a MacBook Air. And I can actually try to like tell you guys the difference, although I'm not a specialist. I literally know really little about computer and MacBook and laptop in general. So I think if you have any question or any inquiries, you should just go to the Apple Store and they will help you out so much. But basically, as this guy explained to me, to think of a laptop as sort of brain. So the MacBook Air has just the two core, which means that from this brain, there's just like two, sort of places that all these programs can go and develop and all of that and process, let's say. Whereas on the MacBook Pro, other than the brain, there are four core, which is four places where all these programs will develop, like progress and stuff. And so, of course, if you do video editing, if you do music, if you use Logic or even like GarageBand, all that shit, you need to have MacBook Pro because it's faster. And of course, it will process things faster as well. So, yeah, long story short, I got a MacBook Pro in the shade Space Gray, which lucky enough, I also thought about returning this one and getting the silver one. Although I'm really not a silver girl, so yeah, you know what? I feel like now I quite like it. I think I got used to it. I really love, just like in general, Apple products and Apple laptop. I really love the sound that it makes when I write, when I type things down. I really love how fast it is. I would recommend it. I honestly would recommend it, and especially if you're a student, just go for it because you get a pair of bits which are quite handy. Especially if you do music. I mean, I do music personally, so I was happy with that. And also you get a laptop, and let's be honest, I probably would not spend that much money. I think the bits are like around £300, and I probably would never spend £300 to get a pair of Beats. Yes, I splurged myself buying a pair of AirPods, which I also will link the video in the eye, but I mean, I think Beats are just way too out of my range. Not that much for the money, because I feel like I definitely could get that amount of money to buy them, but they were never something that I wanted to buy in the first place. They were never in my mind, like in my list of things that I wanted to splurge on. So I think it's quite handy, and I think this video is also just me talking, so I kind of apologize for that, but then this is me unapologetic myself. The same person literally wanted to get a MacBook 12-inch just because it was rose gold. So yeah, at the end of the day, I'm really happy with my purchase. I'm really happy that I got this laptop. I quite like the color now. Of course, it's not rose gold, but I feel like I'm getting used to it. And I really feel like everything in life happens for a reason. So the fact that I was not able to get a MacBook or like get a funding to get a MacBook 12-inch in the first place, the fact that it was took out of the market and all that shit, that all happened for a reason. That was a sign of the universe that let me know that I should go for the MacBook Pro. So yeah, that's pretty much the story behind it. I'm also thinking about doing a video talking about all my music equipment, kind of like how I do music from home type of thing, because like I actually need to get into it, to be honest. But yeah, let me know if you guys will be interested in seeing that. It's probably gonna go up and live after the 7-year special August series, so low-key during the month of September, but let me know if you would be interested in seeing that in the first place. And then of course that is it for today's video. Let me know in the comments below, what computer do you have? Is it a MacBook or is it like a Microsoft type of thing? This is literally the first Apple computer that I own, so I'm definitely not judging you if you don't have one, because let me tell you, those things are expensive, man. But yeah, let me know that in the comments. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked me talking. And then of course, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm uploading twice a week on Tuesday and on Friday, and I'm sure you don't want to miss it out. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.